Hello everyone, I am Ajay Singh from BBA Morning A Semester 2. Today my topic is body posture and body orientation is very important while appearing for an interview. Do you agree with this statement? Give reason for your answer. First of all, yes, I am agree with this statement because body posture is a very important when you are in a meeting, especially when you are in interviewing. When you sit slumped over with poor posture, it is an indication that you are not confident in what you are expressing when you speak. When you have proper posture, it is a way to exude confidence to the interviewer. When you sit up straight and look straight ahead, it also encourages you to look directly into the interviewer's eyes when speaking. When you sit correctly, it also helps you to project your words when interviewing. The authority in the way that you speak comes partly from the diaphragm muscle, which is located below your rib cage. If slumped, you place too much pressure on your chest, rib cage, and the diaphragm, which limits your ability to project your voice. Proper posture aligns your body so that you can speak clearly from your diaphragm when talking to the interviewer. You can make a solid first impression with a firm but not iron handshake that accompanies eye contact and a smile. Keeping arms open and uncrossed will communicate a warm and friendly message. And sitting tall with your back against the back of the seat will communicate a message of confidence. Through keeping an interested expression and aiming to keep eye contact for 2/3 of the interview, you can convey that you are engaged and ready to take on the job. Many interviewers report that bad interviews most often contain little to no eye contact. However, locked eyes or too much eye contact can cause you to appear overly aggressive or creepy, so be sure to look away occasionally. Furthermore, hand gestures can be an essential part of your message to the interviewer. Simple, infrequent hand gestures help emphasize what you are saying. However, avoiding pointing or using too many hand gestures, as this can make you appear and disingenuous. Playing with your hair or touching your face can also make you appear unprofessional. So, if you are unsure what to do with your hands, folding them together and holding them in your lap is an easy, neutral gesture that you can hold until the initial nervousness decreases and you begin to deliver those great answers that you are prepared earlier. Just be sure to give another firm handshake, a smile, and a eye contact once the interview is over. So, I conclude that body posture and body orientation is very important while appearing for an interview.